Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And it's time to thank all my lovely patrons for your support. So first up, in no particular order, Shane Youngs. Thank you very much, my friend, for your support. It means a hell of a lot. Next up, David Atkinson, Davey UK, my sidekick on the Sunday Brunch and the Wednesdays. Thank you again, mate, for supporting me. It's muchly appreciated. We then got Reese over at RJC Models. Thanks, buddy. We got Mike Mountain, aka Dad, aka Scaly Models, one of me besties. Cheers, Mike. Much appreciated, mate. The support means a lot. We got James Chapman, who supports me as well. Thank you very much, James. Much appreciated, buddy. Grant Ash over at 5760 Models supports me. He's a bestie. Thank you very much, Grant. Much appreciated. Quano Man, aka Dan, our slightly eccentric sidekick on the Hangouts. Thank you very much for your support, Dan. It means the hell of a lot, buddy. Plastic Monkey, what more can I say about this man? He keeps me thoroughly entertained with his inane wibbles and his love of Sophie Ridge. Thank you very much, Paul. Skullfish. Thank you very much, mate, for supporting me. Means a hell of a lot, buddy. Forward to catching up with you again soon. We got AD Holmes over at the Smurfworks on YouTube supporting me. Thank you very much, AD. Much appreciated, mate. Sue Shapland, even the Ice Queen. Sweetness and light, bless her, one of my besties, and one hell of a laugh. She is mad. Thank you very much, Sue. Love you lots, mate. Jacqueline Stevens, aka Mum, she who made me Harry the Hamster. Thank you very much, Jackie. You're still my little sweetheart, darling. Got Tanya Holmes, aka Mama Smurf. Thank you very much, Tanya. Mwah. For the support, it means a lot, darling. Kevin Stevens, Jacqueline's other half, supporting me as well. Thank you very much, Kevin. Much appreciated. But West Ham are still the better team. Paul Lines, thank you very much, Paul, for your support. Means a hell of a lot, mate. Lee Roberts, thank you very much, Lee. Much appreciated for your support, buddy. My Belgian friend, hey, Vincent, over at Mr. Loft's Model Making. Thank you very much, Vince, for your support. Look forward to catching up with you soon, mate. Luke Carswell, over at Black Rifle Model Works. Thank you very much, Luke. Much appreciated. And yeah, I know I'm a bit of a fanboy, but thank you anyway, mate. Edward Leonard, thank you very much, Edward, for joining the Patron crew, mate. Much appreciated. One of my friends there. We've got Luke. We got Lewis, even over at Model Making Trucker. Thank you very much, Lewis William. And we've got the dexterous crafter herself, the other half of the Williamson household, supporting me as well. So thank you all so very much for keeping little old me supplied with Jaffa cakes and also helping me to keep my hobby going and to enable me to film content for you lovely people. There's going to be some more exclusives coming your way, the figure painting stuff and all of that. So I look forward to filming that with you. But again, thank you all from the bottom of my heart. It really does mean a lot. Love you all. Gosh.